Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD in 4-hour chart, we had this beautiful breakout. And that's what I explained to my trader this morning, that price broken after the breakout, price retest. So we're looking this breakout short trade here. So we had such a nice, beautiful short trade here, breakout and one pullback at this level. As soon as the price hit this level, as you can see here, previously price respected at this level, explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze, refine the entry in the intraday analysis. That was the only one analysis you can see here this morning, and this was the pretty straightforward breakout. Explained to my trader if the price is going to break this one, then we're gonna keep taking a short trade here and pull back, because we have the 4-hour bias was short. As you can see here, price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. We have another beautiful pullback based on the momentum. You can see beautiful, another pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. So we had such a beautiful short trade on Euro USD. Let's move into the Pound Dollar. If you look at the Pound Dollar in 4-hour chart, and we had a long trade here this morning. As soon as the price hit this level, bank few PPs, and afterwards at the New York session, we had this breakout. And as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explained my trader to bank some profit. So we have a both long and short. Let me share with you how I analyze in intraday. And if you look at the London morning session, we had this breakout. This is the analysis I did at the Asian session, and we had this breakout and we banked beautiful pips in London morning session. And once we banked some profit, and then explained to my trader, let's wait for the market to develop another pattern. As you can see here, price came back here, and that's what I explained to my trader. This is what I explained to my trader. If the price is going to break this level, then we're going to take a long trade here. Or if the price is going to break, which is previously respected, as I mentioned on the analysis, then we're taking a short and pull back short trades here. That's exactly what happened. Price nicely broken and another pullback as soon as the price hit to the profit target around this level. And that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And let's see the market reaction. And afterwards, as we expecting a reversal at this level, but as I said to you in intraday, that's what I explained to my trader, look for another pullback, as you can see, or breakout. As you can see here, I had explained to my trader, price develop here and looking here at this level, pullback or breakout at this level. So we have a both valid trade, breakout and after that pullback. As soon as the price hit this the previous level, which is the broken, this is, by the way, counter trade, which is we explained to my trader, as soon as they hit, we bank few PPs on Pound Dollar. Let's see tomorrow. It's looked like price is reversing it, but as I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We'll let you know tomorrow. Dollar CAD now. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade. If you look at the Dollar CAD in 4-hour, we are short from here, as mentioned on my yesterday analysis. If you haven't seen, the video link is given in the video description. So we were short here. This morning we were expecting here, let's see the market reaction, but very strong bearish. Price broken here even after the breakout. As you can see here, price came back here and retest this level. That give us the confirmation. We said to my trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade. So we were short from here until here. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader, bank some profit. And we also had a counter long trade, very short long trade here. That's what exactly we do in intraday. We figure out where the major level, if there's any opportunities raised, that's what I explained in intraday. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. And that was a beautiful. As you can see from yesterday, we were short. And this is the analysis I did explain to my trader at the Asian session. Look for this breakout. We have very strong bearish, and this level was at this level. And that's what I explained to my trader. We had a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we have another pullback, beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit around this level, and that's what I explained to my trader, banking some profit. And let's back to the New York session and let's see if there's any market going to continue or probably reversal. Once the market developed this pattern, and most of the trader was expecting that the price might going to reverse, but I explained to my trader, if we get one of these pattern, as explained my analysis, double bottom, inverted head and shoulder, or falling wedge, if these type of pattern is developed at there, then we're going to take a counter. Otherwise, we're going to be taking trade as long as the momentum is bearish and valid entry. As you can see here, we have another wedge breakout. Beautiful. As you can see, even arrow appears. So we had another beautiful breakout short trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and look for counter trade at this level, which is I explained to my trader. As I explained at the bottom, let me make it slightly bigger so at least I can show you what I'm talking. So this is what I explained to my trader, one of these pattern. And if you look at here at this level, explain to my trader, if this one of the pattern is going to develop here, then we're taking along here. If you look at here, we have another double bottom develop in intraday. I'm talking about, we have this one counter long trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, which is the previously low broken, and that's what I explained to my trader, this is the counter trade, bank some profit and enjoy. So as you can see here, we have a both short and long on dollar CAD. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. We had amazing trade, and even pound yen we had a beautiful trades today. Let me share you a couple of trades here. You can see here we had this morning, we have this previously, this is the night the Asian session breakout long trade, bank beautiful pips. That was the trade, breakout trade here. We had a beautiful pips long here, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards even London morning session, we have another one small pullback. As soon as the price respected the previous high, as you can see in intraday, explain to my trader, let's see. So then I explained to my trader, price developed this pattern, it's look like price might going to reverse. We have this breakout. As soon as the price broken the previous low, that's what I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So we had a beautiful until this level hit. We have one pull breakout, 1, 2, 3 beautiful short trades on pound yen. As soon as the price hit this level as the measure, you can see here the channel is broken. After the breakout, we are expecting a retest. As you can see here, falling wedges develop. Explain to my trader, keep taking a breakout and pull back, and as soon as the price hit to the previous level, explain my trader to bank some profit. As you can see, we had amazing trade. That's what exactly we do. We analyze market in high time frame, refine entries and intraday, and banking pips every day. I hope guys you enjoy this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time alongside with my other traders and banking profit in real time. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, I also offer forex coaching and trading through this platform, and you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. Once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result on this virtual platform, I can also help you to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I coach and train my trader, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. Or even if you are an experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.